Hi everyone. In this video, we will see about how we will be able to add users to your Office 365 account. So I am in the home page of my Office 365 account. Whenever you want to add a new user, you can go to the admin portal. So this will open up the admin portal of your Office 365 account. So in the admin portal, we have the quick links of the most commonly used consoles. So in this, we want to add a new user. So you can go to the users window and just select on add a user. So you can provide the user's information in this particular pop-up. So I want to add a user as user1. So the email ID of the user1 is going to be user1 at the rate gvideos.onmicrosoft.com. If you are having multiple domains associated with this particular Office 365 account, all those domains will be popped up over here and you will be able to select the appropriate domain which you are the admin. The contact informations are optional. If you need, you can provide all the contact informations, else you can skip this part. The next part is about setting up the password. They have given us two options. One is the auto-generated password, which can be mailed to the individual person's personal email ID or a designated email ID. And the next one is the admin can set the password and he will be able to share that particular password with the end user. I'm going to the second option. Let me create my own password. Make this user change his password when they first sign in. This is recommended because this password is the admin setted password. So whenever the user is logging in for the first time, he will be forced to change the password which is set by the admin. Next one is the roles. What are the roles which you are going to provide it to the end user? You can see there are three different roles which are available. One is the end user. He is just going to be a normal user. He will be able to use the services which are being assigned to him. For example, by default, whenever you are creating an end user, he will be getting a mailbox and he will be getting access to the Skype online. So using the mailbox, he will be able to send and receive emails, and by using the Skype online services, he will be able to chat with his colleagues who are present in the same domain. And the next one is going to be the global administrator role. This is going to be the full access role or the full control role. So as the name suggests, this person will be acting as a global administrator for this particular Office 365 account. Next one is your customized administrator. So if you want to make a particular person as an administrator of a few predefined services, means you will be able to select the services and all the services will be getting listed over here. I'll give him only the user privilege, so he is going to be a normal user. And the next one is the licenses. So which are the licenses which you are going to assign it for the particular user? So I'm having a trial subscription of the business premium. So I'm having 25 licenses with me in my particular account. So out of which one license has been already allocated to the admin and there are 24 licenses are available. So I will be able to add 24 different users to this particular account. So I am going to associate one of my available 24 licenses to this particular user one. If you have the option of selecting creating a user without assigning any licenses, in this case only the account will get created and but the person will not be having access to any Office 365 products or any Office 365 services. So he will not be having a mailbox, he will not be having a Skype account to chat with his friends, so nothing will get created, right? So if you want to create a dummy user in your Office 365 account, you can create the user without assigning any licenses to the particular user. But if you want to create a user with all Office 365 products available to him and also having access to the mailbox and Skype, then you have to assign licenses. So I will assign licenses to the particular person. So you can see the various licenses which are available. And now once all the configuration is done, you can just click on add. So you can see the display name is user1, the username is user1 at the rate gvideos.onmicrosoft.com. Send password in the mail. If you want to send the password to the particular person. Maybe in your organization, you may need to send the password of the new user to his personal email ID. So you can provide the personal email ID over here, and the end user will get the password for his Office 365 account in his personal email. I don't want this option, so and I click on close. So now a new user is added. Now how I am going to check whether this particular user is having access to my account or not. So I'm going to open up a new tab. So in this, I'll say portal.office365.com. I'll open up in an incognito mode. So now the username is going to be user1 at the rate gvideos.onmicrosoft.com, and I'm providing the password which is shared by the admin. If you remember, we have told that the end user have to change the password in his first login. So it is asking me to change the password. I'm setting up the new password. Okay, saying it's easily guessed. Providing a different password. Okay, so the complexity is increasing. Yes, finally it accepted. So now you can see the end user has been provided a valid license. So you can see he is having access to all the services which are available. It may take some time for all the services being getting reflected over here. For example, if I want to check my mailbox, so I can open up the mailbox. So the thing is, this error means that if an end user is getting this error, means the mailbox is not yet created. That means the mailbox is still being created in your Office 365. So the end user needs to wait for some more time for the mailbox to get created. So if you want to check, you can go to the admin portal. In the admin center, if you come down, there are various admin centers for each of the services. You can go to the Exchange Admin Center. So you can select Exchange Admin Center. So this will open up the Exchange Admin Center for the Exchange Online service which is being provided by Office 365. So in this Exchange Admin Console, you will be able to see all the information related to Exchange. If you have worked with Exchange 2013 or Exchange 2016, the Exchange Online Admin Console is more or less similar to the Exchange Admin Console of Exchange Server 2013 or Exchange Server 2016. Right? You can see the dashboard. If I go to the mailboxes, I'm expecting two mailboxes to be present here. One mailbox for the admin and the other mailbox for the user one. And this admin console is more or less similar, as I was mentioning earlier, more or less similar to Exchange 2013 and Exchange 2016. You can see there are two mailboxes which got created, and both these mailboxes are available for us. So this is how you will be able to add a user to your Office 365 account. Thanks for watching.